আমাদের কনসেপ্টটা হয়েছে যে আমরা কিভাবে করে এডুকেশনের মাধ্যমে টেকনোলজিটাকে কিভাবে এক্সপ্লেন করা যায় এখানে যাদের প্রোটোটাইপ দেখতে পাচ্ছি এটা একটা সিএনসি প্রোডাক্ট। তো সিএনসি মেশিনের যে কনসেপ্টটা সেটাকে কিভাবে করে স্টুডেন্টস ইভেন স্কুল গোয়িং স্টুডেন্ট থেকে কলেজ গোয়িং স্টুডেন্টরা কিভাবে নিজের থেকে এখন থেকে এই লেভেল থেকে যাতে ওরা নিজেরা বানাতে পারে, তো তার উপরে বেস করে আমরা বিভিন্ন রিসার্চ
which you can say that it is AI help you kind of thing. So you can use this in hospitals, restaurants for transferring things like medicines and transferring orders from one place to another.
যাদের কনসেপ্ট আছে এগুলি মিলে আমরা দেখি। এটা স্যার স্পেশালি আমরা কোভিডের সময় লঞ্চ করেছিলাম ত্রিপুরাতে, বাট বিভিন্ন কারণে র ম্যাটেরিয়ালস আসতে এত টাইম লেগে গেছে যে আমরা এটাকে
আসাম থেকে স্টার্ট করেছিলাম শিলচর থেকে। এবার আমরা প্রথম ভিডিও দিয়েছি আর আপনি যাওয়ার পরেই আমরা গিয়ে এখানে অ্যাক্টিভিটিস করেছি, ইউজ করে যেটুকু মিনারেলসের দরকার মিনারেলসে অ্যাড করে বের করে দেবে। এটা হচ্ছে মিলিটারির জন্য।
From this, the challenges and the problems which our society and the government will be listed.
Successfully, they got in touch when it was started. There was good connection of touch with the IITs, IIMs, then NITs and other central universities of India. Now in other peoples also, they also have taken into consideration what I have heard from my previous speakers. Thus it is a wise, I think, decision to help the youth to achieve greater heights from a young age. According to this program, around more than 1.25 lakh bank branches encourage youth and at least one Dalit or Adivasi or one women enterprise. What I have the data. Prime Minister said there is no growth in the country without innovation and new opportunities for the youth. I think this is very important. And what he said, our Honorable Prime Minister always says that we have the main human resource in our country. That is about 60 to 65% we have this youth human resource. So if they are developed, then the country of course will be developed. So according to this scheme, I think the companies will be given incentives also. Already have mentioned this previous speaker they have mentioned, so that they can generate more employment. I think this is very important scheme, and in future, from our government side, there are so many startup policies we have. So I need not repeat all these policies. And with this, I conclude my speech and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
A sector agnostic startup policy has been launched to support them in all sectors, today, agriculture and so on. Our Honorable Chief Minister has always encouraged.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new sector agnostic Tripura startup policy 2024 lays a strong foundation.
They can register the startups under the startup policy. There are total incentives about 25 to 30 lakh. First, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister, IT Minister for timely approval of the startup policy 2000. And today's program is also being witnessed online by the Dharmanagar, Maharaja Biri Vikram College, Agartala, Netaji. Today Pragya Bhavan is overflowing with full youthful energy and enthusiasm.
Can we have a round of applause for our Honorable Chief Guest? We are welcoming him with Utpiriya and flower bouquet of Information Technology, Government of Tripura. We welcome you, sir. Now,
Truly, this is the Mahakumbh of startup ecosystem of Tripura state. Policy 2024. I am happy to welcome the young startup founders in today's program who and 5 student projects are supported in each institute every year. So we are supporting launch of innovative ideas linked with the funding from CDP Venture Capital Fund and the State Innovation Mission through Tripura Institute for Transformation. We will deploy 7.5 crore and other benefits are available. In addition to this, we are planning to set up incentives under ITS policy 2022, Unnati 2024 scheme of government. So the proposed incubation hub will have modern facilities like cutting edge lab, all amenities which are required for the startups involvement of the state government. But till the new building comes up, we have requested the TIDC to give